There's a lot you need to learn in this world. It gives and it takes and it takes and it takes. It doesn't matter who you are or where you are or what you do. This world is merciless. And you have to be too, or it will run you over. And you're used to that, aren't you? Getting walked all over by the people around you, by the people you care about. You get treated like trash by people you care about. That could never be me. That's why I closed that shit off. Are you really going to cry on me? At least get a napkin before you have your snot and boogers all over yourself. Here. Disgusting. You realize crying about your problems never fixed them, right? They're still going to exist. Yeah. Are you asking me to kill you? Are you itching to die that badly? Well, that's just pitiful. I'm not just going to kill you because you want to die. That's way too easy. You know how many people in this world want to die? It's not that easy. At least I won't make it for you. But you know what? If you really want to go, show me that you really want to lose your life. You see? You're even too scared to walk out that door. You don't want to die. That's your emotions, your heart talking to you. What you really want is to feel cared for, to feel appreciated, to feel like your life has meaning. What is a life with no meaning? What is a life with not a single reason to be happy? I remember someone told me, you should live your life trying to find the things that make you happy. What happens when you lose all of those things? What happens when they're all gone? What happens when there's nothing in this world that could ever make you smile or make you happy? What do you do then, huh? I'm still trying to figure that out. In the meanwhile, I don't know why I'm doing this, but come here. Open your arms, dumbass, and let me. You're gonna be alright. You're not going to die. Because I'm going to make sure of it.